This video is for every woman, whether you're single, married, a mom, or you're still trying to figure out life. One truth I have had to learn the hard way is this: you must invest in yourself, period. There are no two ways about it. As a woman, you must invest in yourself. As women, we often pour into everyone else, our kids, our partners, our family members, our friends, our colleagues, and we leave ourselves empty. But the truth is, you are more than a wife, you are more than a mom. Before you took on any of those titles, you were first a woman who had purpose, who had vision, who had goals, who had hobbies, passions, aspirations. You were a woman who had things that was going on for her before you became a mother or a wife. That woman still matters. That woman you envisioned yourself to be still deserve to come out. You need to prioritize that woman. I'm going to be very honest with you in this video. One of the greatest investments you can make in yourself is to become financially independent. There is a unique peace that comes from knowing you can buy something without taking permission from anyone. There is a quiet confidence in being able to walk away from a toxic relationship because you know you are not financially dependent on them. Money gives you options, it gives you a voice, it gives you the ability to make decisions from a place of love, not from a place of desperation. When you have your own money, sis, you command respect, you command freedom. But aside from investing in yourself financially, you also need to invest in yourself mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually. When I started my self growth journey, I consumed knowledge like my life depended on it because it did. I took courses, I read books, I attended seminars, I listened to podcasts. I learned how to speak with confidence, elegance, and intention. I knew that if I wanted to impact life, then I had to equip myself with the right tools. I invested in my mind, in my skills, in my mindset. I read books that stretched my thinking. I took courses that sharpened my skills. I joined communities that held me accountable. I attended seminars that expanded my vision. You must learn to seek and expand your knowledge. You must know a little about everything around you. Another major part of self investment is learning to set healthy boundaries. Not everyone deserves access to you. Protect your peace. Boundaries are not walls, they are filters. They help you protect your mental health. They protect your mind, your energy, and your time. Setting boundaries does not mean you are mean. It means that you are wise and you prioritize your mental health. I didn't know all of this before I got married. I got married at the age of 21. And truth be told, I was not ready at all. I was not ready for marriage at that age. I did not even have a solid relationship with myself. I didn't even know how to prioritize my own needs because I had never been taught how to. And this lack of self awareness almost cost me my marriage. Marriage is beautiful, but I am not going to sugarcoat anything. It is very demanding. It is highly demanding. It is a life of service. And when you don't know who you are, you end up feeling lost. You end up feeling overwhelmed. And you feel like you are drowning in responsibilities with no time to breathe at all. But I made a solid decision. I had to find myself. Even in the middle of marriage and motherhood, I made a decision to rebuild Nelly. I started watching YouTube videos that empowered me. I started reading books on personal growth. I started working on my emotional intelligence. I knew that if I wanted to build a brand, if I wanted to speak to women and make them listen to me, I knew that if I wanted to live a purpose driven life, then I'll have to level up emotionally and mentally. I learned how to carry myself with grace, how to walk into a room and actually own it. I learned how to speak with confidence even when I felt unsure. All of that came from investing in myself. And listen to me, it is never too late to start. Whether you are 21 or 41, you can start investing in yourself anytime. In case you're thinking, oh, it is too late for me to start. Investing in yourself has no age limit. You can always begin your self growth journey anytime. Yes, it is going to feel hard at first, trust me, because it is going to take a lot of effort for you to balance kids, balance your work, your marriage, and then you want to invest in yourself. It is a lot. But over time, it becomes easier. Now I know how to create time for myself. I know how to pour into myself without feeling guilty. Sometimes I send my kids out to play and just sit with myself. I write down my thoughts. I pray. I read. I just listen to my thoughts and show up for Nelly. That is my me time. And that me time is sacred. Nothing can take it away from me. Listen to me. Loving yourself is not selfish at all. It is survival. And it is not a luxury. It is a necessity. You were created by God for more than just serving others. You carry something powerful inside of you, your intuition. You carry a lot of creativity. You are able to bring forth life into the world. You were not created just because God wanted you around. No, you were created because the world needed you. So, whatever you do, do not forget you. Invest in your growth. You must learn to say no without feeling guilty. You have to prioritize yourself sometimes. Take care of your health. When you are not healthy, you cannot show up for yourself and for others. Health is wealth. Eat well. Exercise your body because you deserve it. When you are tired, rest. I'm going to leave you with this. Know that a woman who invests in herself is unstoppable. She is able to build better relationship. She is able to walk with confidence, and she is able to live life on her own terms. And that is who you were born to be. Now tell me in the comments, what is one way you are going to start investing in yourself today? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video to a woman who needs to hear it. I'm always rooting for you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.